Crypto Bros. In this video, I'll explain to you how to use the OKX futures. Because when you are a beginner, you open futures, OKX futures, you have no idea what is going on here. Okay, I'm gonna explain to you step by step what everything here means, so that you have an idea, and as a beginner, you can start using OKX dashboard. Now, before we start this video, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research, do your. And now we also have crypto Costa, like you can see, exclusive deal with OKX. Only until 30th April, you get some time more. If you're watching this before 30th April, take advantage of it and register with a link down in the description if you want to receive some free USDT. Okay, it's only for 10 users, and if you do first time trade of 500 USD, you can receive 50 USDT for free. OKX is choosing the random users are gonna win. Also, first time deposit of 1000 USDT, you get 20 USDT for free for selected random people. Okay, now there are also 3 simple steps to get rewards. If you already have your account, you can create another one with a link if you want to try getting the rewards. There are also 3 other steps to get even bigger bonuses, so take advantage of it. Okay, I'm gonna explain to you now. If you click here, trade, and futures are gonna get you to this dashboard. Here you can see a view from TradingView. Okay, TradingView is the biggest platform to view different charts, to view different coins, not only from crypto space, also from traditional finance. Now you can click also original, and this is gonna get you the original chart from OKX. You can also see the depth, but what I'm using and what I like the most is the TradingView chart. I'm used to it because I also use TradingView on the daily basis to see the charts. Okay, so now the first thing is that here you can see the overview and the chart. Okay, on the overview you're gonna see basically the current information, current statistics like market cap of different coins, favorite rate, all-time high, all-time low, ICO date, and all the specific information. If you choose other coins, you're gonna be able to see overview of other coins like here. Okay, market cap, this is quite important data, but this data you can also get from CoinMarketCap. Okay, so now if you go to the chart, you can see here the time frames. Remember also, before we start, this video is for complete beginners. If you already know about trading, this video is not for you. You can turn off. Okay, now for complete beginners, look, this is a time frames. So basically 1M means one candle is 1 minute. Okay, 5M means one candle is 5 minutes. 15M, one candle, 15 minutes. It's that simple. 4H means one candle is 4 hours. So basically it's the same chart but different time frames. Okay, if you want to see a bigger picture, you need to choose 1 week, and you're gonna see weekly candles, and then you can basically zoom out and see a bigger picture of it. Now you can choose also between candles and bars and different views of the chart. If you click lines, if you prefer trading with lines, you can choose it, but most of the traders use candles, and this is what I do. Here you can find different indicators. Okay, so you might see different YouTubers recommending to you some indicators like RSI, relative strength index. So if you click it, you're gonna add the specific indicator to your chart. Then you have different settings, so you can choose between colors. You can see the appearance, scale, status lines, etc. And now here are different tools as well from the TradingView. That's why also I like the TradingView, because look, on the overview you don't have these tools. Okay, so on the TradingView it's easier. Basically, if you want to draw something, or something that I use a lot is this tool. So basically you can choose the percentage and what's happening, like in which day you can see. For example, if we measure it from here, it says 10% in the last 3 days, the volume and how many bars. Now also this one is very useful. You are selecting the trending line, you can use this tool as well. I'm not really gonna explain to you how to do the trending lines now, but basically for technical analysis these tools are gonna be useful for you. Okay, now if you go down, you can actually move it around. If it's easier for you, you can use and basically move it. But now let's focus on this. Okay, first time if you're opening, you have no idea what it is, but basically this is where you are opening positions. Okay, in this site you are opening positions, so you can choose between limit order and market order. Market order means you're gonna open a position straight at the price that is right now. Okay, so if you click now, because of the price is for 30,400 USD, this is gonna open us a position at the current price. So let's say you want to open with 50% of your total amount that you have in your futures wallet, then you're gonna basically open the position. Now the same is for the short position. So you basically choose from long and short position. You can use, so let's say you want to open a short position with 80% the amount in your wallet, then you can do it here. Okay, also here you can change the leverage. The maximum now for Bitcoin is 125. At the beginning, of course, the best what you can do is use spot trading. Maximum is like 10x, because you don't want to get liquidated, especially if you're just starting. Just use low leverage or just do spot. Okay, now here you can choose from isolated and cross positions, and also you can do limit orders, and that means basically you are choosing the price that you want to open the position at. Okay, so let's say you believe now that Bitcoin can go lower to 28,000, and then only then you are gonna open the position, the long position, let's say. If you want to do that, you need to put here 28,000 USD, and then you are again choosing the amount that you want to open the position with, and then you click a long position, and you're gonna see the open position right here, the open limit order. Okay, so imagine if you open already your position or a limit order, you're gonna see this here. Okay, so here you can see open order, position history, assets, and bots. Okay, so now look, open position. I don't have any open position right now, but basically this is gonna be the place where you will, after opening a position, gonna see the position, and you're gonna be able to edit the take profit and stop loss. It's as simple as that, and this is it basically for the futures dashboard. Let me know if you need some more info, some more trading tutorials on OKX. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.